The couple cannot take, is it?
Yes.
How many are you?
This is the portable control numbers. Monday.
So they sit?
No, they sit. Yes.
Morora?
Yes.
Mbona hizi vitu ziko hivi?
Hizi vitu zinavunjika hata tulikuwa tumeform kasema tulipress.
Hao watu wengine wako wapi?
We are only three. One is on leave. Mmoja ataingia. Others are...
Sasa ni saa ngapi hapa? Hajaingia ni saa ngapi sasa hivi?
9:42.
9:42. Wewe uliingia saa ngapi?
Niliingia saa 2.
Umebakisha muda gani hapo hospitali?
Nimefanya. It's around 10 years.
10 years. Unakaa Eric?
2026.
2026. That's next year.
Yeah.
Umejipanga mzuri?
Sana.
Because watu wengine retirement hawataki kuretire.
Nimejipanga sana.
Umejipanga mzuri? Wewe ndio una control vote book?
Yes.
Now the day you are not controlling the vote book unafanyanga nini?
There are some other reports I make, especially right now I'm making the second quarter report. Yeah.
Have we had any problem with this office?
Your Excellency. We are always working together and they are doing the work well.
Now, hizi vitu zote.
Yes, yes.
Yes. I need this office to be arranged. Hawezi kaa wewe uko na ofisi nzuri, watu hawana ofisi hapo.
Make sure they arrange it.
But I'm told there is a store here.
Yes, there is a store here.
Lakini huwezi accommodate all these files.
Okay.
And those old files and these ones will give it another step which can accommodate.
Lakini mbona kule simkuwa mmepanga mzuri pale juu mnatumia
easy. There are others about the new ones about to visit hivi.
Arrange them. Tumeanza mwaka arrange. Sasa
non-buildings which are the problem.
You umetoka huko?
Yeah.
You are the admin?
Yes, sir.
What do you do?
That's on.
This is your office?
My office is on the other side.
Who is this?
That was for the former.
For the former director.
Yes.
And me, I'm acting.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any?
I just go ahead.
This is for Tasco.
What is Tasco?
Yes.
How are you? How are you? Alright, another. Office unafanya nini? Record is good. You're just reporting. Kwa hivyo mko na extra offices huko. I can get an office to operate from here.
No. We don't have extra offices.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, this was the kind of innovation from Kwara, which is supporting issues concerning.
Is a model?
Yeah, it's a model.
Okay.
They innovated it and they had to put some offices. Even the young one people from the
ile mbona imewekwa sasa?
Yeah, it's a terminal, Your Excellency. We are arranging the doctor with the garage.
Ilitengeneza vipi?
There was a problem with that side.
It was a scratch, and the insurance we don't pay because of the limit, and so we are trying to do this from our end. See how we can do it.
This is yours.
Yes.
This was the change.
And also the serious you gave them permission.
Yes, Your Excellency.
And You are saying they are not, they don't have the couples who will take children to school.
No, I'm not saying that.
I want to see the work plan. Every officer, every morning in this department, the whole county. Sasa.